and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you my January favourites. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you my January favourites. So in these videos I like to talk to you about the places we've been, the products that I bought and the books that I've been reading. And I'll start today with the places we've been. So it's January and we don't tend to go out a lot during January, but last weekend we went to White Elm Garden Centre and Petting Zoo. So my friend mentioned to me that we should go to this, we should meet up at this garden centre. We didn't meet with them, we wanted to go and have a little look before we do meet with them. So we decided to take a trip there. It was quite a drive, it was about half an hour from where we live, but it was really nice. The garden centre was really lovely. We didn't really look around the garden centre, but we did enjoy ourselves in the petting zoo. They had lots of different animals. They had wallabies, they had sheep, they had ducks and geese, I think, as well. So yeah, there was lots of animals to see there. And the restaurant was really nice afterwards as well. We went for a cup of tea and the boys had their lunch, and Ted had like a sandwich pack, and with the sandwich pack he got an activity pack as well, and it was like a proper sticker book for him, so it was like a Star Wars sticker book. So yeah, we were really impressed, and I think we will definitely be going there again. Hopefully we'll be meeting our friends there soon, but yeah, we really like that. But that is the only place we've been this month. And now on to products that I've bought this month. And I bought a few things for downstairs in our living room. So this month I decided to treat us to a few new decorations or ornaments for downstairs. Our fireplace was looking really busy at Christmas. It looked really nice. And then we took everything away and it suddenly looked quite bare. So I decided to have a little look around IKEA. I needed some storage boxes anyway. So I thought I'd go and have a little look. And I found this candle, and this was £10 in IKEA, which I didn't think was too bad. It didn't come with the candle, it's like a lantern, but and I put the candle inside. But yeah, it looks really nice on our fireplace. So in the back room I had a basket with lots of blankets in it, and it never really got seen. It was always put under a table because there was never really any space to put it. So I decided to bring that out and put that on one side of the fireplace. I decided to put one of these on the other side, and I really like it. It makes the fireplace look really cosy now. Since we've had our new fire since we bought our new fire, it looks really nice there. So yes, I brought this from IKEA, and if I can find it I'll link it in the description box below for you. And then the next product that I bought for the fireplace was this little bird. I bought 2 of these. The other one is downstairs currently on the fireplace, sitting by itself, probably wondering where its friend has gone. So I saw these and I thought of Howard and Ted when I saw these, because Howard and Ted during, I think it was the first lockdown, or it might have been the second, I'm not sure now. They all seem to blur into one now, don't they really? But anyway, during that time they went out and they brought a bird feeder for the garden, and they really love looking at the birds, and they really enjoy putting the bird feed out for them and things like that. So I saw these and I thought of them when I saw these, and I thought I'll buy one for Ted and one for Howard, and we can store them on the fireplace, and they look really nice on the fireplace. I'm really pleased, and they weren't that expensive either. They were £3.50, so I thought that was a bit of a bargain. They are quite heavy as well, so you could use one of these as a paperweight in an office maybe if you wanted to. But yeah, I just really like them. They're just really simple, and they just look really good on the fireplace really. So yeah, very pleased with these. And now on to food that I've brought this month, and this actually came today and I'm looking forward to trying this. I love dark chocolate. I really like 100% dark chocolate, but Montezuma is one of my favourite companies, and Howard found this on the Tesco's website yesterday. So we had our Tesco's shopping come today, and he found this, and this is a Sea Dog Lime and Sea Salt Dark Chocolate. So it's only 70% dark chocolate, but it does sound like it's right up my street, to be honest with you. So it does have soy lecithin in it, so that's the emulsifier, and it does have natural flavourings. So it's not perfect, I have to say, but I really just wanted to try it to see what it tasted like, and I'm really pleased it's come today. I'm going to give this a little try later on. I don't think it was that expensive. I actually think this was on offer in Tesco's at the moment. So if I can find this product, I'll link it in the description box below for you. And now I'm going to have a little moan. I know I'm always quite positive in these videos, and I never really complain about anything, but this one has got my goat a little bit. So basically, I buy a milk by a company called Oatly. It's a non-dairy milk, and I've been enjoying this for a good 4, 5, 6 years now, and it was gluten-free at one point, but it's no longer, it doesn't say gluten-free on it anymore, but it is organic, and I can still tolerate it. I do have a slight gluten intolerance, but I seem to be all right on this milk. And once upon a time, they used to use oat base, water, oats and sea salt and organic ingredients. That's literally what was in the oat milk. But the other day, Howard went to the supermarket and he said, oh, they've changed the ingredients now. They're now putting rapeseed oil in the Oatly. I think this is because market forces, everything is going up, and they needed to make it cheaper, probably make more of it, but with cheaper ingredients, so they've had to add the rapeseed oil, or maybe it's because people make it thicker. Now you might be wondering, why are you complaining about the rapeseed oil being in it? Well, rapeseed oil, I mean, it's alright, but it can cause cancer in some people, and that's why I'd rather not have it in this product. I really liked it this way. I don't really want it to change. So I then went around the supermarket and I had a little look. I wanted to find an alternative for myself without any sort of chemical nasties or anything in it, and I found that Rude Health do an organic almond milk, right? It tastes like water. I'm sorry, Rude Health, I really love this company and I really like their ethos, but it tastes like water. It's just literally organic almonds and water, right? And that is it, but it only has 6% almonds in it, and it's not very nice, I have to say, and it's more expensive than their ordinary almond milk that has sunflower oil in it. I'm like, why do you have to keep adding stuff to products? I basically think it's to make it cheaper. I never really wanted to bring politics into this, but I honestly think that because the price of food is now going up, companies are having to start to look for alternatives, so they're either making things smaller or adding different stuff to it to make it cheaper. It's such a shame when this sort of thing has to happen in life, I think. So yes, I'm not very impressed with this, and I'm very unimpressed with this. I might put these in the description box below if you want to go check these out, then please do, but I'm very unimpressed by both these products. And the final product that I bought this month is my label maker. Well, I didn't buy it this month, I actually bought it back in October, but I've used it this month for the first time and I'm really impressed. Back to a bit of positivity, people, positivity. I love this label maker. So my pantry often gets very dirty and products get put in jars with different labels on, and my husband gets really confused at me, so I thought I'm going to buy a proper label maker and I'm going to organise it so everything has a place and everything's in its place, and I'm really pleased with this label maker. I bought this on Amazon and I actually think I bought this at half price, because I've gone back to have a look and they're a little bit more expensive than I remember buying it at, but it has been a really good product to buy. My pantry now looks quite neat and tidy, and as I said, everything has a place and everything's in its place. I can't remember how much this cost, but if I can find it, I'll link it in the description box below for you. But yes, really impressed by this product, and I would definitely recommend buying one of these. I'm going to see if I can find more places to use my label maker during this year, I think. And then on to books, and I have a little confession to make. I haven't really been reading at all. During the whole of January, I haven't really read a book. I've been quite tired in the evening when I go to bed, so I normally just come straight upstairs, take off my makeup, get into bed, and I fall asleep quite quickly, I have to say. If I did read a book, I'd probably fall asleep with it on my face, to be honest. So but I did have a little look at the recipe books that my husband bought me last year, and he also brought me, and I don't know if I've shown this one or not, he brought me the Complete Slow Cooker guide, and it's by Sarah Lewis, and it's a really lovely book. It's got a lot of really nice recipes in it, and I do like to look at recipe books, not to copy the recipe, but just to get inspiration or ideas for my own recipes. This has quite a few lovely slow cooker recipes in it. It has breakfasts in here, it has lunches and dinners and desserts as well. So if you have a slow cooker and you want more recipes, then this is definitely a great buy. As I said, my husband bought this for me, I think at the end of December, and I can't remember how much it was. He brought it in the works, and I did look for books that he brought in the works for me last year, and I tried to put them on the bottom of my last favourites video, but I couldn't find them. It's a bit difficult. If I can find this on Amazon, I definitely will put it in the description box below for you. But yes, as I said, I've loved this book, and I thought this would make a great present for somebody who may have a slow cooker, or for yourself if you're looking for more healthy recipes this year. So that was my favourites for January, and that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.